Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 5. This is a really interesting week. You're going to submit your resume or CV during this week. Be sure if you have questions, just send it to me. I'm happy to review it for you. I think it's really important that you have a resume, of course, that looks good, that spells out your experience, and that also gives you the opportunity to be successful in the future. So employers should know, based on your resume, what type of work, of course, that you've done in the past, and then what type of person you are. Also, click on this link right here, some information about finding jobs, and then the lecture is also in this link. So don't forget about lecture 5, which is also at the bottom of the page. Some great information in this week. If you have any questions, please reach out. You also have a week 5 review that is due, of course, initial post by Wednesday, replies by Sunday. Just kind of the standard practice that we normally have in week-to-week basis. So submit your CV or resume by Sunday, do your week 5 review by Wednesday and Sunday, and then you should be set. Don't forget to click on this link. Lots of great information there. Reach out if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you with your resume. Actually enjoy it. So if you send me whatever you have, I'm happy to edit it for you and make it look, better or in a different style or whatever you might want to call it. So I'm happy to help you in that regard. Reach out with any questions. You know my email. Happy to set up a Zoom call as well if you need that. Thanks so much for all your work. If you need anything, reach out.